Hi guys, it's Moz here, and it's that time of year where I set a scale model build challenge. That's right, I set these challenges, and this year we've gone for something a little bit special. So if you've been a follower of my channel for a while, you will remember that I set up the EE Lightning Challenge, or the BAC Lightning Challenge, and that was basically if you could build a Lightning, whether it was Tamiya, Airfix, Revell, I think done one, or Matchbox, I would send you one of these woven patches. That's it, that was the challenge, and they went all over the world. I think I had 100 made, and I'm left with a handful. And I also, at the time, sent off for the channel members the Moz Models zine. So yeah, so I created this little zine. It's only a few pages, and the channel members got the patch and the zine. But those who weren't channel members only got the patch. That's, which is fair enough, isn't it? So yeah, there's the patch. And this year I decided, after visiting Filton, where Concorde is based, I saw this kit in the museum section. I said, I've got one of these on the shelf, and I decided to build it. And here it is. This is the Concorde that I built. It has been re-released, by the way. Okay, it's been released by Airfix, and this time it's called Flight of the Concorde. And this one's the Filton one because it's got the code there, GBOAF. That's the code for the Filton one, and Airfix have released it with this scheme. It's a lovely scheme, quite basic scheme. It's white and it's got the British Airways there, and that's my version of Concorde that I built. And after I built it, because I've also built the other one as well, which Airfix released last year, which is their Vintage Classic. This is their Vintage Classic Concorde. And both of these will be shown at the local museum, so people can enjoy them. And I thought, well, I've done these Concordes, isn't it time we do a challenge? So this year, it is the Concorde Challenge. There we are. It is a woven patch. It's got Concorde Challenge in gold. Moz 6510 models in gold as well, and you've got that lovely silhouette of the bird there. It's in a pentagon, this shape this time, not a circle, because I couldn't quite get the bird to fit, so it fits quite nicely in that pentagon there. There you go, that's lovely. And also for the channel members, remember, if you want to become a channel member, just click join. Okay, just click join. And I also send out these zines once a year. So the idea is that if you're a channel member, you'll get one of these zines anyway. But if you build a Concorde, remember, you've just got to take a picture of the box art and the kit unmade, and then you can just build it, paint it, put some decals on it. I will then send you this woven patch with your zine. But those who are not channel members, just get the woven patch. And by the way, it's not just Airfix. If you want to build a Hella Concorde or a Revell one, that's absolutely fine too. One other criteria is that you've got to also be a subscriber to this channel. So if you want to be a subscriber, all you've got to do is click subscribe, ring the bell, click all, and you'll never miss another video from this channel. That's all I ask for, is that you become a subscriber, okay, to get this woven patch. Now, I was talking to Dale about my ideas of the challenge, and he said, could we help? I said, well, what can you do? And graciously, he's offered his Airfix tooling, okay, which is the last Flight of the Concorde. If you go to this link here, okay, and I'll leave this link in the description box and in the comments, click to buy it, and then in the code, right, all you've got to put in is Moz 6510 Concorde 15, and that will give you 15% off this kit. Okay, really grateful. Thank you so much, Dale and the Airfix team, for organising this for me. All you've got to do is find Concorde scale model kit, send me the pictures of it unbuilt with the box art, and then built. Okay, so you can do it in one email if you like. Just let me know your YouTube name so I can see whether you subscribed or not. All right, there you go. That's the challenge. All well and good. So there you go. If you want to grab yourself one of these woven patches, crack on and build one of these Concordes. And remember, I'll ship these all over the world. They cost me £3 or £4 each, but I'm doing this to give something back to the community and for those who support me. And remember, channel members, you'll also get a zine as well. There you go. Thanks all for watching this video. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Ring that bell. Click all. You'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And a huge thank you to my channel members who are now being shown on the screen. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join and decide which membership tier you would like. It really does help the channel, and I'm very grateful for the support I get from you, the subscribers, but even more so from my channel members. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.